beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. On today's episode of Healthy with Benna, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my zoodles, so my zucchini noodles. This is a great substitute for your pasta, guys. On days that you just want to go light, you're looking to lose some weight or just cut back on your overall calorie intake, this will be your go-to. As you can see, I had them with my pasta sauce and it was so yummy. Guys, you can never overeat your vegetables, trust me. Zucchinis are great because they are really high in fiber and loaded with water, so really great for hydration. And if you can make them great, you are going to enjoy them. So please stick around and I'll walk you through that process. So for our zucchini, guys, to start, we are first of all going to make our zoodles. Here I have this spiralizer, so the brand is Star Frit, and I think I got this from Walmart, and you can also find this on Amazon. It's pretty easy to use. It is manual, so you can make a lot of vegetables, like you see carrots right there. And yeah, it just comes in 3 blades. So I have here the other blades, and this is the one that we'll be using to make our zoodles, to form our zoodles with. So I have here also 4 beautiful zucchinis. I just washed them and patted them dry. Make sure to pat your zucchinis dry because we don't want any water around. Already the zucchini has a lot of water in it, so we want to make sure that in the process of making the zoodles and cooking them, we stay away from any liquids. So to start, guys, as you can see, this pot here, it moves in and out depending on how long your zucchini is gonna be or whatever vegetables you're trying to spiralize. And I have the zucchini here. I washed it and I also cut both tips, so I want to make sure that it is straight. So here's what you do. I'm going to put this head inside. I make sure I fit it into the hole there, and then these ones, I clip them up in there as well to make sure that the zoodle sits nicely, right? This is going to be manual, so you want to make sure that it sits nicely. You can see zoodles are coming out. Make sure that you always try to adjust it as you go so that it can fit, because as you spiralize, the zucchini is going to be shortening. So you want to make sure that you're pushing it into the blade there so that it fits nicely and continue to give us those beautiful zucchinis we are looking for. Now we have the first zucchini ready. As you can see, this is the middle part. I usually throw this out. If you want to add it to your zoodles, that's fine. I just throw this part out that comes out. As you can see, look at our zoodles, guys. See, they are beautiful, so beautiful. And now we have some left over here as well. Look at that. I throw this out one out as well. I'm just gonna transfer it in there. We will proceed to cook them up right away. So to cook our zoodles, guys, I have my skillet. As you can see, it is on high heat. It is very important that your skillet should be on high heat. I'm going to add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and to that I have some minced garlic. So I'm going to be using a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, my minced garlic, and also a pinch of salt. That's everything we need to cook up our zoodles. So I'm adding the garlic. I'm going to saute it a little bit, and then I'll add in the zoodles. Now it is very important that you don't overcrowd your pan. So remember, I had 4 zucchinis that are spiralized. I'm going to cook them in 2 batches. So because you don't want to overcrowd your pan, because if you do that, then your zoodles are going to be mushy, and we don't want that. And also make sure that it is on high heat. Use your tongue as you see me flipping it around. You make sure that you don't leave your stove when you're cooking them. Flip them around for about 1 minute or a minute and a half maximum, and then you can turn off the heat and serve them. Make sure that you don't overcook them. 1 minute to a minute and a half maximum, and then you can serve your zoodles. So guys, I'm going to repeat the process for the second batch of our zoodles. As you can see, my skillet is on high heat, so that I added the extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to go in with the rest of the minced garlic. You want to saute your garlic for less than a minute, like 30 seconds, and then you go in with the rest of the zoodles. As you can notice from these zoodles, some of them are short. It's very normal when you're spiralizing. Some of them are going to be breaking, so not really coming out long. And so the shorter ones, you want to make sure that you cook them less than a minute even, because if you leave them longer, they will become mushy. So we are good to go, and we are going to serve them right away. Hey you guys, our zoodles are ready to be served. As you can see, they look so yummy, and hey, you can eat all 4 zucchinis. Remember, you can never overeat your vegetables, guys. So that's the good thing about zoodles, is that I get to load up a lot on them. The more you eat them, the better for you, because then the more hydration that you get in your body. So guys, that's the end of our video for today, and if you like it, do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you can join the Healthy with Bernard team, and when you do, please hit that notification bell, so every time that I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Until I see you in my next video, please do continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well. Thank you, and bye.